Think of tasks as interactions with ministry partners, and the Tasks tab as the place you go to prioritize which interactions are the most important next step to care for your ministry partners well. In our video, Tackling Tasks, we explained the Tasks tab in detail. In this video, we get more specific. Sometimes it can be helpful to see a shorter list of tasks instead of your full list. This is where filters and tags come in handy. This video will explain how you can use the filters menus to narrow the list of tasks you see. Tags can be helpful to use in combination with filters to help organize your tasks into smaller groups to find again later. At the top of the Tasks tab, you will see a bar of options: All Tasks, Overdue, Completed, Today, Upcoming, and No Due Date. These are categories that your added and logged tasks fall into. Overdue tasks are tasks with a due date that has already passed. Completed tasks are ones you've finished and marked complete. Today tasks is the list of all the tasks you've scheduled to do on this calendar day. Upcoming is any task that has an upcoming due date from tomorrow onward. No due date is for tasks that are not time pressing and therefore don't have any due date entered. And of course, all tasks is every task you've entered into MPDX in one infinite scroll list. The Filter menu can be found in the top left corner of the Tasks tab. When you click it, the menu will expand and show up on the left side of your screen. Click the X to collapse this menu. At the top of Filters, you'll see the option to clear all. Each time you start a new search, you will want to check your filters and clear all previous filters if you want to begin a fresh search. One filter option is Tags. A tag is essentially a label for a specific group of tasks. For instance, let's say you had created a tag, 2023 End of Year Ask, for the thank you notes you sent related to a specific appeal or special ask. You are going to order thank you notes for your next appeal, but aren't sure how many you will need. You could do a filter search by action type, thank, and the 2023 End of Year Ask tag to see how many you sent last year. How and if you use tags is really up to you and what works best as you organize your tasks and pursue strong relationships with your ministry partners. As a note, the contacts filters also have tags, but they are different from task tags. To filter your contacts by tag, you have to be on the Contacts tab. To filter your tasks by tag, you have to be on the Tasks tab. When you select a tag, it will change color from gray to blue, and you should see the list of tasks change to whichever tasks have that tag. At the top of the page is the number of tasks shown. If you click a second time, the tag color will turn red. This means that you are doing a reverse filter of this tag. In other words, when the tag is red, you are looking at a list of all tasks that do not have this tag. Above, we used the example of a thank task search in combination with the tag 2023 End of Year Ask. Doing a reverse search of this tag will tell you which of your thank tasks do not have the 2023 End of Year Ask tag. Now we are going to clear all of our filters to start a new search and collapse the tag section of filters and focus on your other options. If you have a particular filter or set of filters that you frequently use together to search, you can save the search. To do this, set the filters, click Save, then name the filtered search. Once you refresh the page, you will find this search under the Saved Filters dropdown. An action is an interaction you've had with a contact or ministry partner. To help you think through your MPD to-dos, the MPD team came up with 5 phases of MPD that tasks fall into. These are connections, initiation, appointments, follow-up, and partner care. Click the drop-down and select from the list of options to see the tasks of only that type in list form. As a note, there are no actions associated with the connections phase, so you will not see any listed in the drop-down. See more filters by clicking to expand the options. You're able to do a date range search of tasks within a certain time frame. For instance, see your completed tasks for the year by entering a start date of January 1st and an end date of December 31st. Use this in combination with other filters to see a total number of thank cards sent in the year when you go to order more stationery. You could also use the filter Task Details and Next Action to pull up a list of tasks that had a next action of appointment. This could help you know which methods of contacting ministry partners have been helpful in scheduling time to meet with people. Click See Fewer Filters to revert back to the most common filters and the simpler view. And that's it! We hope seeing the filters in action has helped you realize what might be helpful to you as you work to connect with your ministry partners. Thank you for watching.